Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I want to give you guys my final thoughts on the Teba TKS-15 Cookstove right here. And this is a beautiful three-sided panoramic cookstove imported from Turkey. One important thing to keep in mind, this product is not UL listed. If you have homeowner's insurance on your location where this stove will be installed, please check with them to ensure this will not cause any problems for you. Beyond not being UL listed, I am very impressed with the Teba stove, especially for the price point that this model comes in. It burns very hot, very clean. The baking oven has a wide variety of temperatures. So I was able to bake a pie, which my pie was in the 425 range. I did have to have a lower fire to maintain that temperature, but you can also easily get this temperature up to 800 degrees. So if you wanted to do those really hot pizzas or artesian breads, then that is going to be an option as well. Now, this model does have a pretty high burn rate, and I was only able to get about a 5-hour burn time with how the stove comes from the factory. Now, I am testing the stove by adding some fire brick to the bottom to kind of cover up the grate and the air holes in the bottom of the firebox to obtain longer burn times. This is a super cheap and easy modification to the stove to increase the burn times. So while on its own, you know, the stove might burn hot and quick, this here is with the modification burning, and this is actually dampered down. So it is definitely reduced the burn on it, and I'm very happy to see that. This is again going to be a Turkish built product. The Turkish are really known for their quality on their products, and that's also part of the reason we're able to bring it in at an excellent price point. So if you guys have questions, check out other videos. I have tons of other topics on this Teba TKS-15. Overall, I give it a thumbs up and highly recommend it. I'm very impressed with how clean the stove does burn. And also on this one too, it's quite a heater as well. Like for the footprint of this stove, it really pumps out the heat, and it's able to heat up very quickly as well. Like I was getting within 10 minutes like 250 degrees coming out these air tubes, and as much as a 900 temperature degree coming out the air tubes. So it definitely is going to heat up your space effectively and quickly. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video on the Teba TKS-15. If you like my videos, please don't forget to give me that thumbs up. It helps me out so much when you guys like my videos. It helps me out even more if you guys like them and share them. Don't forget to subscribe in the corner of the channel. God bless y'all. I hope you have a fantastic day.